Yes, I actually made $558 in affiliate commission by promoting a high ticket affiliate product with just one YouTube video. This video has around 500 views and I didn't even have to show my face. You can also start earning money with affiliate marketing on YouTube without showing your face by following the steps in this video. I will show you the exact product I promoted and the video I created. I will also give you 2 bonus tips which will make people buy from your affiliate link. The first step is to choose the right affiliate product to promote on YouTube. The product I promoted has a high price of 1397. I use this product myself and have membership, so I get 40% commission. Which means when somebody buys this product through my affiliate link, I will get $558.80. So when you select a product, make sure that it has a high commission rate or has a monthly payment. Pick a product that you believe in and understand. Often people say they get traffic to the affiliate product but no one buys. So here is the first bonus tip to encourage people to buy from your affiliate link. You need to find a product that people can get started for free. It is also great if they don't have to use their credit card. Can you please give this video a like and I will show you this exact product I promoted and then move on to the next steps so you can start earning from affiliate marketing right away. Here is the product I promoted. I will leave the link in the description if you want to try this out. As you see, it's free to get started and no credit card is required. Moving to step 2, there are specific types of videos that you need to create without showing your face on video. Product review video, tutorial video, product comparison video, for example, product A versus product B. The video I created was a tutorial video which shows how to use the product to solve a certain problem. All you need to do is record your screen and do a voiceover, just like I'm doing right now. You can use a free tool like this to record your screen, so you don't have to show your face on YouTube. Once you create the video, how do you get views and how do you get people to buy? Keep watching, that will be step 3 and 4. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I create actionable videos like this every Saturday. Even if you create the best video but don't have an eye-catching thumbnail, no one will watch that video. So create a thumbnail that has contrasting colors and really stands out. If you don't have design skills, I recommend using a web-based tool like this where you can get a variety of thumbnail templates. Just select any of them. All you need to do is modify the text and then add the related image. Moving on to step 4, this is how you get natural traffic that leads to sales. So here is the next bonus tip to get people to buy from your affiliate link. Ask yourself, what keywords are my targeted buyers searching for? I put myself in my audience's shoes and try to think, what would they type in the search bar? Then you get a list of keywords which you can use for your video. For example, this video I created to promote the affiliate product made me $558. It's because it's getting traffic from YouTube search. I didn't have to do any other promotion or spend money promoting to get views. I use this tool, Video Marketing Blaster, to auto-generate the title description and the meta tags to help optimize the video. Now the next step is to add your affiliate link to your YouTube video, and there are many ways to do that. Watch this video next so that you will learn all the methods. Follow these exact steps and you can do affiliate marketing on YouTube without showing your face.